Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in Deira city center again. So first up is Center Point. So while we're going, I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, we're in. Here we go. As you can see, a bunch of pullbacks. I think they got something new. So let's see, we've got a Hot Wheel. First up is a Lamborghini Sesto Elementa police car. Okay, I like that. Good one. I have that. It says the Lamborghini Miura. Miura, yeah. Good pullback. Ah, was made one. This Mercedes pickup truck. I don't even know what. I don't know. Here's a Hummer, which literally went in mud and stuff. So you can see it's just a muddy Hummer. Here's a GT40, which yeah. So GT police car. And a C8 police car. Yeah, we have like 3 police cars. I dropped that C8. We can have an entire army of police cars. A Nissan. Yeah, here's a Jaguar. We could have an entire army of police cars, trust me. Here's a Chevy Tahoe. There's 4 police cars. And there's a police truck. Yeah, here's like what's going on the Hot Wheels tracks. There's not much. There's also some Mega Blocks thing. Mega Blocks truck. Sorry. Here we go. Go to the Hot Wheels section. I already know where it is. There it is. It looks stocked. Last time I was here, there was a video, but then I ended up scrapping it because it was old. That's old. It's from like 22. There's a Wolf. That's from 2021. I don't know. These were people trying to steal. It looks like they had checkerboard, which is what they did. Man, there we go. Dragon wagon. Cool one. It's just a drag. Man. Two series Batman wheel. Got a Dodge. Allison Doo. Yeah, and what is that? That's not a Jaguar. That's a Chevy, like 2021. A stolen car? Okay. Yeah, there's nothing. What? That's an error? Whoa. It's so small. It's a tuned Chevy. What? Another stolen car. Come on. Okay. What do we have? You're a 3. There's a bike on a Super Cup. It's a good one. More Toon TVs. Spammer wheel. The amount of times I saw this thing, I feel like I should have gotten the soup by now. And also Camaro. Probably should have gotten the soup by now or later. But the Toon TV series. Man, I saw so much. I should have gone soup. Here's a 2. I saw, I think, 17 ones. I'm not even kidding. And none of them were soup. Yeah, here's a clean one. The Cadillac. The Cadillac's it's a clean one. I already got it. Here's another TV series. Here's another TV series, Batmobile. I don't know. I may have missed the soup. Usually after this, I go through them so I can tell if there's anything I missed. What is this? Another stolen car? People, really? 3? Okay. Going. Toaster car. Toaster car. Here we go. Ooh, that one is good. An 84 Corvette. It's a good model. And here's another Camaro. And a Toon Silverado. Give the Toon Silverado some love. Honestly. On the Super Cup again. Here's a Mazda Savannah of some sort. Yeah, it's a Mazda Savannah. It's a good one. I got it. Also. The TV series Batmobile. And another TV series Batmobile. Wow. I wonder if they're soups. Yep. They're not. glow looks. And here is VOP 180 gasser. I don't know what oh, there's the TV series Batmobile. It's on a suit. Anyways, I don't know what year the Volvo on, and I'll do some research on that. BMW 507. I opened this one last week. Video. If you haven't seen it, it's good. It's a clean model. Here's a Lucid Air. I have the silver one from last year's G case and a Jeep Reno Gia. I don't know how you meant to say it. And another stolen car. Really? Well, this is the fourth. We found a fifth. I don't know. It's a van. Another dice car. Explorer Motors 2022. That's old. I mean, Howell's just turning everything we play with. Like, for example, dice. Now they're turning into a Hot Wheel. Wrench car. It's a Hot Wheel now. We got a toilet car. You know, the gotta go. Here's a Copa, not a Super again. I've seen this thing a lot too. Here we go. Another tuned classic TV series Batmobile. There's a blue Silverado, another one. Yeah, look, it's a 2022. It's old. TV series Batmobile, not a soup. Oh my god, I can't find a soup of these. Yeah, here's a Madra treasure hunt. I mean, I've seen this thing like 3 different times. Or 2 or 3, I don't know. I think I've seen it twice. That a rocket boom? I don't know, boombox. It's a 2022 still, so yeah. I think that's all we've got. A tuned TV series classic Batmobile. Just tuned Batmobile. Tuned to unsouped Batmobile. That's what we should call it. Tuned unsouped Batmobile. You know, soup stands for super. Here's a Camaro. Anyway, there's nothing here I could buy. I'm out. So next up is we're at Virgin Mega Store. Now, I have an announcement that when we reach 100 subs, I'm about to do a charge with my entire collection and my room, I mean, with like everything I have, okay? Reach me 200 subs and we'll get that video. I promise. So we're walking the Hot Wheels aisle. I've been here before. So it does not look stock. That's gonna be Group C, Fancy, Deira 2, Deira 2, Max Steel, Tune Silverado, Max Steel. There's another Deira 3. A bunch of matchboxes. Nothing's really going through SVX. Charger police car, and Audis. And the Ferrari Roma. I like the Roma. Yeah, here's some of the 2-packs. There's only these, and there's just 5-pack. I'm looking for the Fast and Furious one, by the way. Here we are walking up the Lego section, and there's no Speed Champions. Are you really serious? Bunch of Majorette gift packs, G Metalli cars. I think this one, I don't know. This is the gold one, gold edition. Light Racer gift pack. Light Race. Camouflage gift pack. Here's a bunch of different scaled vehicles. Graphic 6K. Yep. So next up is when another store. This one might be the last one. Let's go play Injury. We're walking up the hallway. So here we are. It's weirdly stock. Like, it's not stock. A bunch of random stuff is put in here instead. Bugzilla. 2022. Dogzilla or Bogzilla? I don't remember. The name. Well. Toon TV. Gotta go! That's funny. Gotta go. It's. Why is there one? There's a treasure on it. There's a. Doors. That one. Oops. I think that's a 2022. There's a. Yep. Here we go. This one is probably. That's a 2020. Right on. Okay. Apparently here they could put like Lego minifigures on this. I don't know. So is it 22? You know, a bunch of old cars. And yeah. I found nothing in any of these stores, but we had a fun hunt. Now, that's all I have for you guys. I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends when they're real old. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye.